Yo, what's up guys, it's Aptrix here. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys a brand new Pokemon Go location spoofing tool which you can use directly on your iOS devices without needing a PC. Alright guys, let's get started. For today's video, we'll be using the brand new version of iToolab AnyGO for iPhones from iOS 13 to iOS 18 devices. It is also available for Windows, Mac OS and Android devices. But for today's video, we'll be using the iToolab AnyGO iOS version app compatible with iOS 18, which doesn't require a PC for you to spoof your location. You can directly use this to start spoofing location directly on your mobile devices. The first step will be to add iWhereGo Genius on our PC so that we don't get any Error12 issues while spoofing our location. So right here on the official page of iWhereGo, let's add this on our PC. Afterwards, complete the setup to add this tool on your PC. Once the setup is completed, tap on Start Now. Afterwards, select the game that you want to spoof. For example, today we want to spoof Pokemon Go, so we'll tap on Pokemon Go. Afterwards, we'll need to register our iWhereGo product. Once you have registered the product successfully, simply tap on OK. Afterwards, choose Pokemon Go once again. Now this is the main step where you'll need to sign in with any of your Apple ID. Doesn't have to be your primary ID, it is just so that you can add the iWhereGo version of Pokemon Go onto your iOS device. Afterwards, simply connect your iPhone with your PC using any USB cable. Then let's tap on Pokemon Go, and now it will start adding the iWhereGo version of Pokemon Go onto our iPhone. This process may take some time, so just be patient. And this video has been sponsored by iToolab, but I'll be giving you guys my 100% honest and genuine opinions about this tool to see how well does it actually work. Once the task is completed, you'll need to follow these steps which I am about to show you guys. So right here you guys will be able to see the brand new version of Pokemon Go has been added to my iPhone. Afterwards, you'll need to open settings, scroll down until you find general. Afterwards, scroll down until you find VPN and device management. Here simply tap on developer and make sure to trust the Pokemon Go. Now you can disconnect your iPhone from your PC and start setting up the iToolab iOS app. For that, you can simply visit the official website that has been provided in description box below, and it will start adding the AnyGo on your iOS device. Afterwards, once again we'll need to go to General, VPN and Device Management and make sure to trust the AnyGo app. Simply tap on Trust. Afterwards, tap on Allow and Restart. And now we should be all set to start using the iToolab AnyGo on our iPhone. Now simply open the iToolab AnyGo. The next step will be to tap on the profile icon and make sure to activate your iToolab AnyGo. Now currently iToolab is hosting a massive iPhone 16 and iOS 18 celebration where you can get up to 70% off on iToolab AnyGo. So I'll put this in description box below, make sure to check it out. Once you activate your iToolab AnyGo on your iPhone, simply open Pokemon Go and log into your account. The first feature is the search bar which you can see at the top. Now here you can enter the coordinates or name of any location that you would want to teleport to. For example, I have typed Dubai. I'll simply press the first option. Afterwards, tap on the teleport button. Afterwards, we'll need to upgrade to the official version of iToolab AnyGo iOS version. So we'll tap here. Afterwards, simply tap on the next button once you add the official AnyGo version. It is pretty simple. Then tap on Start Testing. Afterwards, tap on Agree. And now you'll need to activate your product here as well. Once that has been done, now I can simply tap on Teleport. Afterwards, tap on Configure, then tap on Allow. And here we go guys, it will say change location successfully. We did this directly on our iPhone, and you guys will be able to see we have been successfully teleported to Dubai and we don't have any Error12 messages, and even the Pokemons are spawning properly. Now after you zoom out in the map, you will be able to see the entire map is being loaded in iToolab AnyGo. I'll simply press this coordinate. Afterwards, tap on the teleport button. And there we go, the location has changed once again successfully. So let's see, this time you will be able to see we are now teleported to a proper location, and this was just the teleportation mode. iToolab AnyGo has much more features. Now the first feature which I want to show you guys is the joystick control. Simply tap on the start button. Afterwards, you will get a joystick control in this app. So here you can customize the speed at the top and set it according to your preferences. For example, I have set it to 15 meters per second. Afterwards, tick mark speed is variable. Once that has been done, you can customize your walking position. Afterwards, tap on the play button. Now if you go back to Pokemon Go, you'll be able to see that now our character is walking automatically in Pokemon Go with the help of joystick controls. If you want to catch a Pokemon during your joystick controls, you can simply tap on the pause button, go back in game, and you'll be able to see our character has stopped moving. You can encounter any Pokemon and then catch it. So the joystick control is very helpful, and if you want to exit the joystick control, simply tap on the yes button. Once that has been done, you get single spot movement. For example, let's say you want to walk to this destination. I'll simply press here. You get 2-point as well as multi-point location spoofing. For example, let's say you want to walk to this position. I'll simply select the 2-point option. Afterwards, iToolab AnyGo will automatically create a route for me, which will follow all the official routes. You will also get an ETA as well as the remaining kilometer here. And if we go back to Pokemon Go, you guys will be able to see now our character is walking to the route that we selected, and this is all done automatically. That's why iToolab AnyGo is a very easy to use location spoofing tool for iOS devices. Now let me also show you guys the multi-spot movement. So I'll select multi-point. Afterwards, make sure to add multiple points in the map and create a route that you want your character to follow. For example, I have created this route. I'll simply tap on the start button, and this time iToolab AnyGo will not create a route of its own. It will follow the route which I created. It can be very useful if you want to visit multiple Pokestops or if you want to hatch eggs in Pokemon Go. So our character will travel to the first destination, afterwards to the second destination, and so on. And this will go until your route has been completely finished. So let's go back to Pokemon Go, and you guys will be able to see our character is walking on its own. Not just that guys, you also get much more options such as historical records. You can check out the history of all the routes that you visited previously. You also get the option to search for different coordinates and resource search. So you can select IV levels and tap on go if you want to teleport to that location. So it is currently showing me 6000 kilometers. Let's tap on teleport and tap on OK. Now let's go back to Pokemon Go, and you will be able to see we have been teleported to a proper location. Everything works properly, but not just that, you get lot more options such as being able to bookmark your location and also being able to spoof your GPS location at any time to protect your privacy or use it for educational and entertainment purposes. So yeah guys, that were some of the features of iToolab AnyGo. Be sure to check it out from description box below, and don't miss out the iPhone 16 and iOS 18 celebration sale which is going on right now. Anyways, that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.